My name is Lauren Taylor. I'm in the physical therapy program.
My name's Emma, and I am in the physical therapy program. Physical therapy is the science of movement.
We help people get back to their prior function before an injury or a surgery.
Anything from a sprained ankle to a spinal cord injury.
So they can move, increase range of motion and function.
I'm very interested in the neuro section of physical therapy, spinal cord rehabilitation.
When I graduate, I want to work with children. It's something I do during the summer volunteer program in the summer camp in North Carolina, so I'd like to continue that work.
The faculty here at Jefferson really put a lot of effort in right away from your application and interview day to understand who you are as a person.
The way that we interviewed really made me want to come here. We interviewed in more of a group setting. The interviewer just watched how we collaborated with one another.
Everyone here at Jefferson is so supportive. There is not a single person who isn't rooting for you, and that is shown so much through the way the faculty interact with us, teach our classes, are constantly aware of even just our vibe, the resources that we have available to us, the vast amount of clinical sites that we can choose from, the amount of opportunities that can come from even just one of those sites really intrigued me and brought me here.
The hospital is huge, so you see a lot of different things. You can get a lot of different exposure. And then the outpatient facilities is very helpful that some of our TAs are also therapists in those facilities as well.
For any students who are currently going through the application process, hold out hope. It doesn't feel great all the time. You're gonna get your rejection letters, you're gonna get your wait list, but whatever school Jefferson is meant for you will be there for you. And it'll come at the perfect time. Once I came to Philadelphia, I knew that this was the place for me.
There's always something to do, and then the amount of friends that I made interview day to now just kept me here.